Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Camry and I want to thank you for stopping by. Please excuse my voice. I've been sick, but I was so excited to get this video put up for you guys. So I am going to be unboxing my recent purchase from the company Lange. I saw this company on Love Meg's channel and her hair looks awesome for a whole week. She didn't even have to recurl it or do anything to it except for put a little dry shampoo in it. So I figure I'm gonna try this out. Okay, so if you would like to see what products I got from this company, please keep watching. And if you like videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It shows me that you care. Alright, so let's get this box open. Okay. So that's how it looks when you first open it. Got this brown packing paper in there. Packed pretty well. Doesn't look like anything is filling, because I read on a lot of reviews that a lot of girls had trouble with when they received their box. There were things spilled inside. So I was definitely worried about that, because this box did come from California and I live in Indiana. So that's a pretty long way for it to go without stuff breaking open. Okay, so I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out here. Alright, so first of all, I got the Lange aplatir straightener here. And that actually came in a packaged group. It was like a sleek and straight package. And so it came with the straightener, and it came with the heat protectant. So it came with this heat protectant and the detangling spray, and then this nourishing gloss. So that all came in the package with this. But let's start with the straightener here. So it came nice and packaged inside of this plastic bag. That's nice. So it didn't get dirty. Okay, and I got the black one. There's also a white one and a pink one. Okay, that's neat. So I just figured out on other reviews that I had seen, it actually, this black part right here, it would slide out. But on this one, it took me a while to figure it out. Gotta be smarter than the box, right? So, it just opens like this. And then inside, you have the straightener here. And a lot of people were saying on the reviews that the two that there's some space in between the plates, and there is some space in between the plates, but I think they just put that space there just so it doesn't pull your hair, maybe. So we'll have to see, right? Can't put very small chunks of hair in between there or it just won't be straight. So, but first looks at this, it's really nice. So, it's got the temperature dial here, and it goes from 140 all the way up to 450. And then this one, it did not have the automatic shut off. but it does have an on-off switch here. But so far it is looking nicer than the straightener that I have currently, which I have had for a long time. So, okay, next what I got in the box, which this actually came with the straightener in the package, and it is the Replenish Detangling Conditioning Spray. Okay. Then next, I got the heat shield, and it's the Rival heat shield, and that actually came in the package with the aplatir flat iron as well. And it's keratin infused, so that sounds nice. And this actually did not come in the package. This was an extra purchase of mine. So it's the Sorbet Botanical Smoothing Balm. And it says it's great for thick and coarse hair, which I have. So I thought that would be good for blow drying. Then this is the last thing that came in the package with the aplatir flat iron, and this is the Satin Nectar Nourishing Gloss. I'm excited about. The only thing I did not get in this order was the shampoo and conditioner. I used the Sour brand, and I'm liking it, so I'm just gonna stick with it at this time. Okay, and I did get 2 of these, and this is the Deja Vu Dry Shampoo. So I got 2 of these because they were highly rated. So it's clear product instead of white product, and since my hair is so dark, I really am going to like the clear product probably. Okay. And last but not least, I got the Trois Chic 3-way hairspray. And so I guess it's got a dial in there that lets you set it from 1, 2, and 3. And it just lets you decide the amount of product that you want to put in your hair. So 1 would be a very light hold, a 2 would be a medium hold, and a 3 would be a very strong hold. So I like that. Oh, there it is right here. So 1 is a light, soft hold, 2 is a medium fashion styling, and 3 is a heavy, firm hold. Cool. I'm excited to try this. So that is what I got in this order today. I did purchase all of this with my own money. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, even though I would love to be. But if you have any questions, leave them below. And in my next video, if you come back again, I am going to test the aplatir flat iron from Launch. And I'm actually going to compare it with my old straightener that I have, which is a Remington. So if you would like to see that video, come back and check that one out. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this one and other content like mommy content and life hacks, then give me a subscribe. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.